Uy, ang tahimik ng boss mo. Hindi laging good sign yan. Communication issues sa loob ng workplace. Alam mo yung parang nagtatrabaho ka sa kadiliman. Wala kang idea kung tama ba yung ginagawa mo. O kung papalapit ka na sa warning letter. Yan ang epekto ng lack of feedback from management. Walang good job. Walang here's how to improve. So anong meron? Overthinking, second guessing, stagnation. Employees want to grow, but paano kung walang direction? Puro output, walang coaching. Puro utos, walang guidance. Hindi mo tuloy alam kung pinapansin ka ba o pinapabayaan ka na lang. Managers, take note. Feedback isn't just a correction. It's a connection. It builds trust, confidence, and performance. At kung isa ka namang empleyado na kulang sa feedback, baka naman oras na para magtanong ka. Because growth requires communication, even if it's uncomfortable. Yun lang. Follow for more.